In this video, we are going to solve exercise 9.1 of class 10th, chapter number 9, some applications of trigonometry. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Naina and I usually make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12th. So let's have an introduction of this video. In this video we are going to do question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 9.1, and the link for the remaining questions is given in the description box. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you find my video useful for you. So now let us start our today's topic, which is exercise 9.1, question number 1 of exercise 9.1, okay, of class 10th. So what does the question says? Question says that a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. So there is a circus artist, he's climbing to the top of the rope, which is 20 meter, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole on the ground. So how it is tied? It is tied at the top of the vertical pole. So what is AB is my pole and AC is my long rope whose length is given to be equal to 20 meter. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to find the height of the pole. That means this pole you have to find out if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. If this angle is 30 degree, then you have to find out this height AB, right? So you can see that this angle is of 90 degree. So we can use our application of trigonometry, means our trigonometric ratios. Okay, so the side corresponding to the 90 degree is what? This is my hypotenuse and this is going to be my base, because angle is always formed between the sides hypotenuse and base, and this is my perpendicular. Okay, so now which trigonometric will be useful for you in this question? So see, we know that hypotenuse is 20 meter and perpendicular we have to find out, and angle is given to us. So perpendicular we have to find out and hypotenuse is given to us. So which trigonometric ratio we can use? We can use the trigonometric ratio which is sine 30 degree. Okay, so sine 30 degree is what? Sine 30 degree is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular will be as it is and hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is my 20. So sine 30 is what? You know that sine 30 is what? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to P by 20. So I have made another video in which I have explained the 2 tricks to learn the complete trigonometric table. So please see my that video if you want to know that what are the tricks and how to learn the complete trigonometric table. Okay, so if you will do cross multiplication here, then what you will get? You will get 20 is equal to 2p, right? So now divide 20 by 2, you will get this is equal to 10 meter, and perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my this AB. So that means the height of the pole is equal to 10 meter. So always remember that, write down the complete answer in your exam so that you are going to get the good marks in your exam. Okay, so height of the pole will be equal to 10 meter, right? So write down your answer something like this in your exam. What is asked? Write the statement and then write down the value. Okay. Moving to question number 2. What does it says? A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. So what is given in the statement? It is given in the statement that there is a tree AC and due to some storm, you have generally seen that when there is a storm, then generally the trees got broken down, right? So in the question it is given to you that how the tree has broken down. Tree has broken down such that the top of the tree means this AB, whatever this AB is fallen down and making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Means whatever this AB is, same is this A dash B. AB is equal to A dash B. Okay, this much part is broken and this much is only making the angle of 30 degree with the ground, right? So next, the distance between the foot of the tower, foot of the tree is what? Foot of the tree is my C. So AC is my tree in this case, right? So foot of the tree is what? Foot of the tree is C. Distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground. Where the top is touching the ground? Top is what? This AB or A dash B. Top is touching the ground at a point of A dash. So the distance between this and this point is given to us equal to A dash C is equal to 8 meter. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to find out the height of the tree. That means we have to find out complete AC. So if I break down AC in two parts, then what I can write down? I can write down AC is equal to AB plus BC. Okay, and AB is what? I have told you, because this much part is broken down and this much is making an angle with the 30 degree with the ground. So AB is equal to A dash B plus BC. So overall what we have to find out? We have to find out our this side A dash B and this side AB. Okay, so again you can see that this is our 90 degree. So corresponding side is going to be my hypotenuse and this is going to be my base, because angle is always formed between hypotenuse and base, and this is going to be my perpendicular. Okay, so what trigonometric ratio I can use? So see, this time I have to use two trigonometric ratio to find out both the values, right? So for finding A dash B is what? A dash B is my hypotenuse and this is my base. So base by hypotenuse is what? Base by hypotenuse is my cos 30 degree, which is equal to base by hypotenuse. So cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is my root 3 by 2. Base is what? Base is my 8 and hypotenuse I have to find out. And if you will do cross multiplication, then you will get what? You will get root 3 h is equal to 16. So h will be equal to 16 by root 3 meter. Okay, so try not to leave root value in your remainder. So what we will do? Root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So what it will give me? 16 root 3 by 3 meter. Okay, so this is going to be my h is what? H is my A dash B is equal to 16 root 3 by 3 meter. Okay, so one is done, A dash B is done. Okay, next what I have to find out? I have to find out BC. BC is what? BC is my perpendicular and I know that perpendicular is given, I have to find out, and base is given to me equal to 8 meters. So which trigonometric ratio I can use? I can use tan 30. Or now you can use any trigonometric ratio. Now you can also use the sine also, because perpendicular you have to find out and hypotenuse you know now. Earlier we do not know hypotenuse, but now you know that hypotenuse is this much. Okay, so you can use either trigonometric ratio, sine or tangent. Your answer is going to be same. Okay, so tan 30 is what? Perpendicular by base is what? Base is my 8. So put the value. 1 by root 3 is equal to perpendicular by 8. So if you will do cross multiplication, then 8 is equal to root 3 into P. So 8 by root 3 will be my perpendicular, and perpendicular is what? My BC. So we do not generally leave our answer in under root. So I am going to do cross multiplication. I am going to multiply and divide my numerator and denominator by root 3. So 8 root 3 by 3 meter will be my BC. Okay, so do not leave your answer like this, because you have to find out this complete height AC. Okay, but we have find out the two parts AB and BC. So do the addition and write down your final answer in the exam. A dash B plus BC. So A dash B is what? A dash B is 16 root 3 by 3 plus BC is what? BC is 8 root 3 by 3. So 16 plus 8 is 24 root 3 by 3 meter. Okay, so this is going to be your answer, and write down your final answer that the height of the tree is equal to 24 root 3 by 3 meter. Okay, moving to question number 3. Question number 3 says what? A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. Do not get scared with the bigger statement questions. Generally, the bigger statement questions are the easiest one. Okay, because in that they will explain you each and everything, right? So a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. There is a contractor and he wants to install 2 slides to play for the children in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Means this is my slide for the younger children, means the children below the age of 5 years. He imagined that this should be at a height of 1.5 meter from the ground. Height is given to you, not the length of the slide. Length of the slide is not given to you. This is given to you is height of the slide is 1.5 meter from the ground, and this slide is inclined at an angle of what? At an angle of 30 degree. Okay, whereas for the older children, now they are telling you about the older children. She wants to have a steep slide, means a little bit more steep slide should be there at a height of 3 meter, from the ground, and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So in each case you have to find out the length of the slide. Okay, so what does the question says? That, so see, in this case, if you have to find out this is what? This is my hypotenuse, and now you know that this is my base and this is my perpendicular. So same is here. This is hypotenuse, this is my base, and this is my perpendicular. Okay, so let's talk about first for the younger children. What I have to find out? Hypotenuse, and I know about my perpendicular. So which trigonometric ratio I will use? Perpendicular by hypotenuse is given by sine 30 degree, which is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, so sine 30 is what? Sine 30 is 1 by 2, perpendicular is 1.5 and divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so if I will do cross multiplication, then I will get hypotenuse is equal to 3 meter. So write down your answer that the length of the slide for younger children is equal to 3 meter. Okay, Now next, for the older children, write down another like this part, that for the older children we are going to solve our question now. So same to same you have to do. This perpendicular is given to you and you have to find out the hypotenuse. So what you will do, you will write down sine 30 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, sorry, this time sine 60. Sine 60 is what? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my 3 meter and hypotenuse I have to find out. So if I will do cross multiplication, then I will get root 3h is equal to 6. So hypotenuse is equal to 6 by root 3, and do the multiplication of root 3 by numerator and the denominator. So you will get 6 root 3 by 3, that means which is going to be 2 root 3 meter. So hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is my PR. PR is equal to hypotenuse. So write down your answer in the exam such that the length of the slide for older children is equal to 2 root 3 meter. Okay. If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 9.1. Till then, take care and bye bye.